Hey guys, we are from Dongguan Green Time. We are a CBD hardware manufacturer as well as the machining. So these are our staffs. The first one is the capping machine, automatic one. The second is the cartridge assembly machine. The third one is the cartridge filling and capping machine, automatic one. And this one is the auto filling machine. And these one are our first and the third generation of the hand filling machine. Today we are going to introduce this one. Okay, right now, we are introducing the automatic filling mode. Okay, turn on the machine. Okay, please turn on also the other machine as well. Yes. Okay. Next step. Okay, we're going to the setting one. Setting, right. Okay. The setting one. So right now we have to put the product on the position. Okay. Okay. Can you put the tray on the machine? Yes. Okay. So right now, we have a few steps. The first step, we need to put the numbers there. Okay, we have to count the numbers on X direction and Y direction. So for our product on X direction, we have 5. So we put 5 there. Can you count there? Can you count on the tray? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the X direction. So the Y direction, we have 8. Can you count it again? Y direction, 8, right? Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 8. That's it. Okay. So we put the numbers there. So the next step, we need to set the initial position of the XY direction. Can you show us the remote? Okay. I want to introduce the remote. We can see on the XY direction, yeah, we have the 4 buttons, and the Z direction is the needles come up and down, right? And also we have the XY1 direction and XY2 direction, and we have 3 Z directions. Okay, let's introduce one by one. And also we can see a snail image there. That means we can make the movement slower. The movement will be slower. Okay, let's do it right now. Okay, let's set the XY1, the initial position. Let's do it. Yes. Okay. Okay. The first step, we need to make the needle go through the holes smoothly. Okay, after that, if you feel the position is accurate, then we can click XY1 to confirm the initial position for X and Y direction. Okay, that's it. Okay, can you show the screen? Can you show the screen? Right. Okay, the screen, we can see step 1, turn screen. Right? That means, set up, the first step, set up finish, the XY direction. Okay. Right now, let's set the Z direction. The Z direction, that means the needles, 3 positions, right? Okay, let's set the Z3. Z3 means that when you finish the filling, the needles will stay at the position. Okay, to let all the oil flow out into the tank. Okay, so let's set let's adjust the Z position, then set the Z3. Okay, right now it's settled. Can you show the screen? Okay, so right now we set Z2. Z2, that means the needles. You want how deep the needles will go into the tank. Okay, let's set it. Okay. We can use the snail button to make it move slower. Okay. Down a little bit. Okay. A little bit. More. more. Okay, that's it. The Z2, that means the needles will go how deep into the product. Okay, let's confirm Z2. Okay, can you show the screen? After that, the Z2 position turns green. Okay, after that, we need to set Z1. Z1 means that the initial position of the needles, always stay. Okay, raise it higher. Okay, that's it. That's Z1 position. Okay, confirm. Okay. So right now, the last step, we need to move the needles to the last product. Okay, if the needles can go through the hole smoothly, so right now we can confirm XY2, the last position of the product. Okay, confirm. Can you show the screen? Okay, right now all finished, right? So right now the next step we need to do is click save. Can you show the screen? Hey, show the screen. Click save. Then you see we can save 6 models there. Okay, let's do the first one. Okay, first we put a name there. Put a name. Okay. For example, if the name is green time, can you put green time there? Green time, right? Okay, confirm. Okay, this is green time. So we also need to click, the model 1, click. Okay, so right now, all the data you just set right now is saved into model 1, and the name is green time. Okay, right now return. Okay, then the next step, if you want to check the position is right or wrong, so we can click Auto Filling. Okay, so you see the model 1 is automatically selected. It's selected. Okay, click next. Okay, click run. Right. Okay, then we push the start button to start. You see? Okay, right now we need to introduce one more thing. Is that, can you click the setting on the screen? Okay, go to the screen. Yes, okay, click. So you see we have the ZSP3 input, right? The ZSP3 input means that the rising up speed. So for example, if you want to raise the raise the needles up, the speed higher, so we put more. Let's put 500 there. Okay, can you see the difference? Okay, now it's faster. Okay, this speed means that when you squeeze out the oil into the tank and the needles, raise at the same time. This is the speed. Okay, and also, can we go back to the screen? And also we can see the Z stay time. That means after you feel after you finish the filling, the needles will stay there, stay on the position Z3. Remember that the needles will stay at the filling hole for a while. That's the duration will be. So for example, right now we set 1,200. So right now let's set. Okay, let's do something maximum. Okay, let's do 5,000. Can you put 5,000 there? 5,000. Okay, input. Okay, let's see. So the needles will stay there for 5 seconds. Okay, just for example. Okay, you can set shorter. So this can make all the oil flow out, into the tank, out of them. Okay, you can set, depends on the product and the oil. Okay, after that, let's switch back to the main screen. Okay, switch back to the main screen. Yes. Okay, stop. And also, we also have a jig for a single flavor filling. We have a jig that can, make to hold the handles there. That we can use for example, if we use the syringe 1 or syringe 2 or syringe 3 to fill the single flavor one. You can switch to the flavors very easy, just need to change the handle. We have the jigs there.